Hello everyone, this is Mia. I will show you how to use the TT112 transmitter, work with the receiver. And by the way, I will say again about the using time. You can charge this transmitter for 5 hours and use for 7 hours, and the receiver charge for 2 hours and use for 8 hours. And when the light, how do you know the battery of the receiver? When you charge it, if the light shows 5 times, it means it's fully charged. If 4 times means 80% of the battery. Now let me show you how to use it. Press this one to turn on. Okay, you can see the channel and the signal and battery. It's the same operator of the handheld one. Press the plus and minus key at the same time. Okay, now you can see the channel is flashing, and I press this one to change it. Okay, let's change it to 25. Okay, now press this key for a few seconds. You can see when the signal is flashing, it's in pairing mode. Now we can turn on the receiver. Keep them in 2 meters, the transmitter and the receiver, when you're pairing. And they will pair automatically. After pairing, the green light will always on, which means you pair successfully. So at this moment, we can press this one to confirm the channel. Now we can talk through the transmitter, then the receiver will hear with the speaker mic. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. At this moment, we can hear from the earpiece, the receiver. By the way, you can see there is another AUX port, which means you can also connect with the phone by AUX cable. And this is the charging port. That's it for the how to pairing. And it also has the mute function. Just to press the plus key, it shows mute, and press again. You can talk directly again. For this one, you can also turn off all the receivers by pressing this key for 5 seconds. Now you can see there's off shows on the screen, which means you turn off all the receivers in channel 25. Okay, now you can press any key to get by the standby mode, or press this one to turn off. Okay, now you can see it's change again. Okay, now we can press this one to turn off. Okay, it's quite easy to set. And by the way, this model sharing the same charging base, the same charging cable, same charging case with T130 and also TT106. And that's it. If you have any other questions, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. You can also go to our website, www.retekess.com. Thank you.